after the day of Ashura, when all the Ahlul Bayt and the followers of the Imam were taken to Sham and humiliated by Yazid, Yazid would try and make fun of them and would say these lines of poetry. ليت أشياخي ببدر شهدوا شذا الخزرج من وقت الأسهل لا أهلوا واستحلوا فرهم ثم قالوا يا يزيد لا تشل قد قتلنا الكرم من سعاداتهم وعدلناه ببدر فاعتدل لعبت هاشم بالملق فلا خبر شاع ولا وحي نزل. If only my grandparents at Badr could witness how Khazraj went into panic, they would have been very happy, after which they would have said, may you, O Yazid, never be paralyzed. We have killed the leaders of their masters and equaled it to Badr. Surely Hashim has played with the kingdom. While no news came from the heavens, nor were there any revelations. Upon hearing Yazid's slander on Allah and the family of the Prophet, Imam Zain al-Abidin gave a speech which shook Yazid's empire. He says, Allah has granted us 6 and given us excellence in 7. Allah has given us knowledge, and Allah has given us patience, eloquence, generosity, forbearance, and the believer's love for us. And He has given us excellence in 7. From us is Rasulullah. From us is Ali. From us is Hamza. From us is Jafar. From us is Hassan. From us is Hussain. And from us is Najif. Allahumma. Those of you who know me, know me. Those of you who don't, let me tell you who I am. I am the son of Mecca and Mina. I am the son of Zamzam and Safa. I am the son of the best of man who held the black stone in his robe, and the best of them to have circumambulated the Kaaba. I am the son of the man who was taken by Buraq through the air. I am the son of the man who led the angels in prayer. I am the son of the man who was taken by Jibreel to Sidrat al-Muntaha. I am the son of Muhammad al-Mustafa. I am the son of Ali al-Murtaza, the one who fought the disbelievers until they said La ilaha illallah. I am the son of the man who fought with 2 swords and with 2 spears, who went on 2 migrations and pledged allegiance twice, and fought at Badr and Hunayn, never disbelieved in Allah, not even as much as for a twinkle of an eye. I am the son of the one who was backed by Jibreel, supported by Mikael. I am the son of the believer's pious one, the descendant of the Prophet, the annihilator of the polytheists, the commander of the faithful, the glory of the worshippers. I am the son of the man who fought the disbelievers and exterminated their progenies. I am the son of the master of Iraq and the lion of Hijaz. I am the son of a Mekki and a Madani, a Badri and Uhudi, and the master of the Arabs. That's my grandfather Ali ibn Abi Talib. I am the son of the masters of the youth of paradise, Hassan and Hussain. I am the son of Fatima al-Zahra. I am the son of the man who was slain on the earth of Karbala. Now when the Imam says this, he says, quickly recite the Azan. When the person calls out Allahu Akbar, the Imam says, truly, there is no one greater than Allah. And when the person calls out Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, the Imam says, my eyes and my hands and all my body testify there is no God but Allah. And when the person finally calls out Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, the Imam said, O Yazid, is Muhammad your grandfather or is he mine? If you say he is yours, then you are a liar. But if he is mine, then why did you kill my father? Sallallahu Muhammad wa Muhammad sallallahu. Please recite Surah Fatiha for Sayyid Anwar Hassan Rizvi and Sayyid Ihtisham Raza Abadi.